Assalamu alaikum everyone, how are you all? After a long time, I appeared before you with a new video. Hope everyone will like it. Thank you. Today I will show you grilled chicken. Today I took 2 kilograms of chicken meat. First, I will cut the meat and wash it and drain the water.
Watch the video. How I cut grilled chicken.
Wow. When the water drains, add the grill spices now.
First, I will take some pure mustard oil.
Now I add 2 spoons of chicken grill spices, a spoon of Kashmiri red chili powder,
1 spoon of chili flakes,
1 spoon of chicken curry spices, 2 spoons of roasted onion and salt to taste, 1 spoon of BBQ magic spices. Now the real surprise, a whole orange juice has to be added too. Only then will you get the real taste. Mix all the spices and leave it in the refrigerator for 3 hours.
After 3 hours, I started grilling the chicken. Alhamdulillah, our chicken grill turned out very tasty. Now enjoy the rest of my video. Thanks everyone.
It's great to see you again after a long time. Hope everyone liked our chicken grill.
Thanks everyone for watching our video. Inshallah I will come again with a new recipe. See you next time. Goodbye everybody. See you soon. Love you. Thanks.